In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito window on DuckDuckGo. If you're looking for a quick way to browse privately without saving your browsing activity to your current session, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to access DuckDuckGo's private browsing feature, which is referred to as a fire window. This special window allows you to browse separately from your regular browsing session, helping you keep your current activity isolated from your existing tabs. To open a fire window, look toward the upper right corner of the browser and locate the Menu button represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this menu to reveal additional browser options. Within the menu, you'll find the option to open a fire window. Select it, and a new private browsing window will appear. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster method. On Windows computers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time to instantly open a fire window. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N instead. These shortcuts provide a convenient way to access private browsing without navigating through the menu. In some cases, you may not see the fire window option in the menu. If that happens, the most common reason is that your DuckDuckGo browser version is outdated. Fortunately, checking for updates only takes a moment. Open the browser menu again by clicking the 3-line icon in the upper right corner, then go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the About section, usually found toward the bottom of the options list on the left side of the screen. Open it to view information about your current browser version. The browser will automatically check whether a newer version is available. If an update is found, allow the browser to complete the update process automatically. Keeping your browser updated not only ensures access to the latest features, but also helps improve performance, stability, and security. After the update process is complete, restart or relaunch the DuckDuckGo browser. Once it opens again, the fire window option should now be available in the menu, allowing you to access private browsing as intended. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to open an incognito or fire window in DuckDuckGo, and how to troubleshoot the issue if the option isn't showing up. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.